Okay, today we're going to look at the compensation strategy, which is a mental math strategy to help you add quicker. So let's say that we have the number 199, and we're going to add, let's just say 468. Okay, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to compensate, which means you're going to replace one of these numbers to make the number easier. So I always like to look at the largest number first, and I know that I'm going to take this larger number, I'm going to keep it the same because I see another number that I can change that will make it easier. So if I look at this number 199, I know one more would make it 200. So I'm going to change that number to 200, but I need to remember that I added one more to it. So whatever I add to one of these numbers, I have to remember to take that away at the end. So I know I need to subtract 1 at the end. Alright, so if I have 468 and I'm going to add 200, all I know, because we've been learning place value, that all I have to do is look at the hundreds place. I'm on that spot again. Look at the hundreds place and add those hundreds. So 400 plus 200, I know that's 600. And then all I have to do, since these are zeros, I just take these numbers and put them over here. So my answer right now is 668, but look, don't forget you have to subtract that 1. So subtract 1 and your sum is 667. That's one way you can do the compensation strategy. Let's look at another problem. Let's say I have the number 236 plus 544. Okay? Alright, so I know that if I'm looking at these numbers, the easiest way to do this would be to look at my largest number first. So I'm going to still keep 544 here. And then I'm going to look at this number right here, and I know that I'm simply going to change that to 240. The more zeros you have, the easier it is to add. So I know that I added 4 more. So I need to remember to subtract 4 at the end of this problem. Alright, so I'm going to change my color again, sorry. So I'm going to add my hundreds first, because in the compensation strategy or the mental math strategy, you should be able to do this in your head. So I'm going to add my hundreds. 500 plus 200 is 700s. I'm going to do my tens next. 4 tens plus another 4 tens, that is 8 tens, which is the number 80. And then I have 4 ones plus 0, which is 4. Now, I'm not finished yet because I have this 4 that I have to subtract. So my sum is 780. Alright, now let's do a compensation mental math strategy with addition. So let's say I'm going to, not addition, I'm sorry, compensation strategy with subtraction. Subtraction, takeaway. And when you do subtraction, you're looking for the difference. So let's say I have the number 285, and I'm subtracting 99 from that. Okay, again, you need to look at the largest number first, especially in subtraction. You always look at the largest number before you look at the lesser value number. Okay, so I know that I'm going to do, I'm going to leave 285 the same, and I know that 99 is close to 100. So if I just add one more to this, I'm going to get the number 100. So I'm still doing subtraction, so I'm going to put my symbol here, and I'm going to subtract 100. Except this time, I'm going to actually add 1 because, remember, I'm only actually subtracting 99, but I'm trying to make this number simple. So that 1 that I added to this number, I need to also add over here. All right, so if I have 285 minus 100, I'm going to do my hundreds place first. So 200s minus 100 is 100 remaining. 8 tens minus 0 would stay the same as 8. 5 ones minus 0 ones is 5, but don't forget, you have to add that 1 that we added to that 99 to make that number easier. So I'm going to add 1. So my difference, 285 minus 99, is actually 186. Let's do one more with subtraction. So let's say I have the number 342 minus, let's do 130, let's do 135. All right. So remember, compensation, you look at the largest number first, but you're trying to make a number simpler so that way you can quickly do some subtraction in your head. So I'm going to leave 342 alone because that's my large number, and I'm going to adjust my second number here. So I know I'm only 5 away from making that 140. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 5 to this to make it 140. Then I can't forget that I must add that 5 back to whatever these two numbers' difference is. So let me go ahead and look at that. So I'm going to take my hundreds first. So 300 minus 100 is 200s remaining. 4 tens, subtract 4 tens. If the number is the same, 0 is the game. So I have no tens left, 0 tens. And 2 ones minus 0 is 2. But wait, I'm not done. I must add that 5 that I added up here earlier. So 202 plus 5. I know 5 ones plus 2 ones is 7. So my difference is 207. All right, I hope that helps, guys.